Mastering signal words. Unleash the power of comparison and contrast. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial listening comprehension strategy: recognizing signal words and phrases. Specifically, we'll focus on signal words for comparison and contrast. Understanding these words can transform your comprehension skills, helping you easily identify main ideas and supporting details. Let's jump right in. Signal words for comparison and contrast are specific words and phrases that indicate a speaker or writer is comparing or contrasting one idea with another. These signal words help to organize thoughts and guide the listener or reader through the conversation or text. Comparison signal words often include phrases like similarly, likewise, in the same way, also, and just as. On the other hand, contrast signal words might be however, in contrast, on the other hand, yet, and, but. Understanding and recognizing these signal words will greatly enhance your listening comprehension skills by enabling you to quickly identify when ideas are being compared or contrasted. Now, let's practice recognizing these signal words with a few exercises. For each exercise, I'll read a sentence, and your task is to listen carefully and identify whether the sentence contains a comparison or contrast signal word. 1. John loves to read books. Similarly, his sister is a big fan of reading. 2. I like playing tennis, but my brother prefers basketball. 3. She enjoys the tranquility of rural life. On the other hand, he can't imagine living outside the city. As you listen to these sentences, note down whether you heard a comparison or contrast signal word. The answers are: 1. Similarly, a comparison signal word. 2. But, a contrast signal word. 3. On the other hand, a contrast signal word. To deepen your understanding, let's look at some examples of sentences where signal words can be less obvious. 1. Although it's cold outside, the warmth in the house makes it feel cozy. 2. Like her mother, she has a knack for baking delicious cakes. In these sentences, although and like are acting as signal words. Although contrasts the cold outside with the warmth inside, and like compares the daughter's baking skills to her mother's. Remember, recognizing comparison and contrast signal words is a key strategy to enhance your English listening comprehension. With practice, these signal words will become signposts that guide your understanding of complex English conversations and texts. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find your comprehension skills are stronger than ever. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!